Bonjour, hola, buenos dias, salam alaikum. Guten Tag. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Paul Wong from Felicity Solar as a marketing manager. Today I'm going to show you two new products. The first one is lithium-ion battery for residential, and the other one is 50 kilowatt solar hybrid inverter with high voltage ESS system for commercial and industrial solar energy system. So I'm going to show you by means of value design, some technology, and as well as marketing information. So the first one is at 48 volts with 314 Ah capacity, 16 kilowatt hours. Some of the clients, they were asking how I can do by 16 kilowatt hours. For example, if you have a one air conditioner, it's like a 1,000 kilowatts, 1,000 wattages, you can run the air conditioners around 14 to 15 hours. This is the lithium-ion battery, can make good use of your residential and households. This is the battery. We got the aesthetic and ultra safe for the Red Dot Award in 2026. That means it shows that we care not only about the performance, but also users' experience and design excellence. This is not just a battery, it's designed for modern living. As you can see, the shell design is very well and aesthetics. So the battery can put in your living room, even in your house, can make it luxury. This is the good design, so that's why we got the Red Dot awarding. And also got the IP65 protection for dust and water resistances and more flexible installation scenarios for this IP65 protection. This is the optional thermal module, can restoring the battery to its working temperatures. For example, in cold temperature, it helps bring the battery back to its optimal working temperatures, like the Northern Europe markets. So let's go through the heating performance test and show you how the thermal module is running.
Let's see how the battery performs in such a low temperature. As you can see, the battery starts up normally and the power indicator turns yellow. That means the heating system is working now. Let's continue to check the status of battery charging and discharging via our F-Solar app. Look, the battery is discharging from 80% down to 60%. And now we are charging it. It is going from 60% back up to 80%.
So this battery built in the thermal module, even in the cold temperature and heating temperature, this battery can match the requirements. And also it patented the external fuse design. The fuse design is like here. This is the shell. We just put out the shell outside and replace the fuses easily. So in the Europe market and a lot of the markets where the labor cost is very high, so people, they just remove this shell and replace the fuses very well. This is one of the highlights of the product. And also this model has 1C charge and discharge rates. It would be very higher efficiency for the battery running, and also supports charge and discharge by the 1C rates. And also this battery, 314 Ah capacity, can support 8,000 cycle with depth of discharge 90%. And another model is 6,000 cycle. That means the battery will run more than even 16 years. And also it built in the CCS technology we call the cells contact system. It shows us the battery cells running is very high efficiency and good quality. And also this battery cell is made by REPT, the one of the famous brand made in China. And also shows us the good quality of the battery. So let's compare to the original model. The original model shows it's bigger, but now the new products, it shows us higher capacity, but smaller size. It also supports 32 units in parallel. It's vertically scalable. So it's not only for the residential system, can also put the new battery, connect with the old battery to adjust the new system, also for commercial and industrial sites. So from residential use to larger commercial applications, scaling is simple and it's flexible. It also built in Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth mode. The FLB series come with this model, so users can monitor the solar energy management system, but also check the battery status, solar consumption, and the system performance through the applications. And also, as well as check the data on our website system. So nowadays, people, they think about lithium battery. Is it safe? So that's why we have already set the aerosol fire suppression system for safety. So let's go through this video and show you how the battery extinguishes the fire performance.
Now we're about to start our test. So you can see our battery over there. So we're about to overcharge it and it will lead to thermal runaway. And we will see how our fire protection module will save the situation. Let's check this out. Oh, that's intense! You see all the smoke coming out of there? The thermal runaway has already started. So right now, you see what's happening there. Our fire protection module has done its job and quickly distinguished fire. That's how it works. So our fire protection module is very safe and efficient.
Thank you for watching. So this fire protection module is very safe. And another question, if some of the clients, if you have any questions, our booth is on your left side. So please say hi from Felicity Solar over there. All right, so let's go to the second new product. Let's go to the commercial and industrial solar energy storage system. So I think some of the clients on site from the roles of like the investor, big boss, even the people from purchase department. So I think this system is good for this, like a bigger system, for example, hospital, factory, schools. So this is the 50 kilowatt solar system, matching the factory, hospital, schools. And the good thing is, people, they care about money. They care about return of investment. So this system can match your good points. You invest the money in the big project, then you can save a lot of costs of electricity. So this system is also got the EUPD certification. That means it's the top innovation awarding. This reflects our strength in technology, application value, and the market competitiveness. So it also gives our customer greater confidence in choosing Felicity Solar. And the system is maximized solar harvest, like from 50 kilowatts up to 600 kilowatts for the system capacity. And also built with IP65 protections. So not only put it in the indoors, you can also put it outdoors, anywhere. This is one of the good function of this system we call times of use function. Can control the grid using and save the energy, and you can set the modes. Anytime you can feed the power to the system. And charge when prices are low, and discharge when prices are down. So it is not only storage hardware, but also smart energy management. This is one of the highlights of the function of the system. So user can use the real-time system status, energy flow, and the battery status and performance anytime. So it also can support the fault alerts and reminds you how is the system running good or well, and historical data reports and the remote maintenance. So this means faster response, lower service cost, and higher reliability from this 50 kilowatt system. It also supports the dual battery access. That means there are two clusters of the battery, so we can balance the battery capacity and feed the high efficiency power automatically balanced. This is equipped with the balance module. So some of the clients, they already purchased an old battery. So in the future, if they would like to make a bigger system, they have to put the new battery. So this battery pack can balance the old battery and the new battery automatically. This is one of the highlights of the system. And there are two methods of the installation. The first one is you can see the cabinet-based system. Just put on the side and connect easier. The other one is split type system. You can install the complex environments. So there are two flexible installation methods. And this is our 50 kilowatt system, features a programming diesel generator port. For example, in unstable electricity markets, the system can intelligently work with the diesel generator as a backup power. For example, in African markets, there's a lot of shortages of electricity. So this system can match the points and the requirements in African market. Even in the Middle East, they need the largest system. This system can match the largest system. For example, like I said before, hospitals, schools, bigger company system. And this is the smart load management mode. For example, during the daytime, you would like to make good use of the solar consumption. You just set the mode smart load management so that your, for example, heater pump, water heater can get the electricity power easily. And this is one of the highlights, diesel generator mode. That means the battery would be protected very well. For example, if you have the diesel generator, you just set the generator mode and the generator would be automatically activated so that once the battery was fully charged, would be stop the system charging. So this is the project cases of our commercial and industrial system. Like I said before, we have already got the EUPD certification and lots of projects have already done global world. It's like African markets, Europe market, Middle East market. So if you have any questions, we are warmly welcome to our booth. We have two booths there. The first one is Area A, Hall 8.1. The second is in Area C, Hall 14.2. Okay, so we have done for the introduction. On-site, the customer can go to our booth to ask some questions. So we can go to the Q&A part. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for a wonderful introduction. That's fantastic. Okay, so here comes our first round of Q&A session. Okay, let's stand here together.
Okay.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I can see that you already learned something about this product, right? So now here's the question for you. The question is, what is the core advantages of the 50 kilowatt energy storage system, and why should customers choose this solution?
Okay, thanks for your questions. So as like I said before, the system integrated PV, we call photovoltaic energy, from the battery storage, even with the diesel generator, and also there's an app solar we call the energy management system with the Internet of Things technology. So it's not just only the inverter, it is a fully system, entire system, so that can give to the customer to have a good ROI, even then save their money and increase the efficiency of the system.
Okay, great. Thanks for your answer. So the second question is, which markets or applications is this 50 kilowatt system best suited for?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
So I think on-site, the customer, they from around the world. So this system can match, for example, African market, because over there, the shortage of electricity. For example, it also can match the Middle East markets. For example, they need the larger system. So this system from 50 kilowatts up to 600 kilowatts also can match the bigger system. So for example, in Europe markets, people, they concerned about electricity cost. So this system, there's an intelligent mode. Like I said before, the AC coupling system, and also the generator mode. So this also can save money for the market European. So that's why this is the different markets. Even it's one of the most important thing is that this system can output the different grids. For example, single phase, split phase, even three phase. We can match this point.
Wow, wonderful answer. From your answer, we can see the potential of this system, right? So the next question is, what makes your FLB Series battery different from other brands in the market?
Okay, that's also the good question. So everybody can look at here. This is the lithium-ion battery, our new products we call FLB Series. So let's talk about the Europe market. people, they concerned about the costs of labor. So once any issues of the battery, you know, the bigger possibility of the battery issue is the fuses. People, they overcharge the battery, so we just remove the shell and replace the fuses over there. This is one of the highlights of the battery. And for the, like the African market, Indonesian market, this battery can make parallel connection, like I said before, 32 units in parallel. So if you have already purchased, you have already bought the old battery, you just put our new one battery, connect together, and just extend your capacity of the system anytime, anywhere. This is the good highlights of the
Great.
FLB. Yes.
Anytime, anywhere. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you so much. Thank
and,
you.
Yeah,
Thank
we can
you.
take a seat.